YouTube TV asking you to sign in and not sure how. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Step by step. Let's go. Press home on the remote, open the YouTube TV app. A sign-in screen appears with an activation code. Go to your phone or computer and visit tv.youtube.com/start. Enter the code, sign in with a Google account. Cut back to TV. Show YouTube TV loading and the home screen appearing fully signed in. Roku, Fire TV, and Apple TV all have their own specific interfaces. I'll walk you through each one starting with Roku. Press home on your Roku remote. Scroll to find the YouTube TV app or search for it in the Roku channel store. Open the app and you'll see the activation code. Zoom in, then go to tv.youtube.com/start on your phone. Enter the code on your phone and your Roku will immediately load your YouTube TV home screen. On Fire TV, press home, go to find, then search and type in YouTube TV. Open the app to get your code. Zoom into that code, enter it on the website, and sign in with Google. Your Fire TV is now fully loaded and ready to stream. For Apple TV, head to the App Store, search for YouTube TV, and open the app. The code screen will appear. Just like before, enter that code on your phone to link your account. Once you hit sign in on your phone, your Apple TV is all set. If the page isn't accepting your code, it's because it expired and codes last about 5 minutes. Just close the app on your TV, reopen it, and you'll get a fresh code. That fixes it almost every time. Are you getting a location error message on your screen? Here's how to fix it. Turn off any VPN. This is the most common cause of this error. On your phone, go to YouTube TV app, settings, location, update home area. That's it. You're in. If your TV brand isn't here, drop it in the comments and I'll help. Subscribe for more tutorials like this.